Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. Whether you're experiencing issues or just want to start fresh, this method will help you return Chrome to its original state. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, in the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page of Chrome. Scroll down and click Reset Settings on the left sidebar. If you don't see it, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Reset Settings to confirm. This will reset your search engine, homepage, new tab settings, and more. Don't worry, your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will remain intact. And that's it. Resetting Google Chrome to its default settings is a simple process, whether you're on desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.